Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE 2 and Samsung Smart TV. In this video I will show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, what's crucial is to make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then simply enter YouTube app and tap this button in the top of the screen. Now select your TV. And now both devices are connected. Thanks to that, if you enter a video you would like to play, you'll have two available choices, play or add to queue. Now select play. And it's done. To disconnect, press this button again and select disconnect. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.